Ok. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, unboxing time once again. After the wait and house, it's time to go back to my old customers, and he requested another strange thing, and a huge one. So here it is. It's a Revell truck, Mercedes, I recognize it, and let's see what's inside. He told me that it isn't new, he bought it as it is, and I already can see there's open bags, and well, decals are still with the protective sheet, so not bad news. Okay, let me take the box out of here so I can see better what we're dealing with. So this is an older kit from Revell, because nowadays they have colored instruction sheets, and well, this thing will be quite a handful, also the trailer. So let's check the sprues as quickly as we can, because since it is a truck I'm not very familiarized with it. So let's start here with these two red sprues, which compose the front cabin, and well, nothing much to say, because we don't have a finished form, if we can say that, but it doesn't look bad. Some bits of excess plastic here and there, but nothing too big. I'm not a huge fan of Revell kits, but they will always look a bit toyish in the end. But since this is a truck, might be a different case. This is the front bumper, and we have here the options of the Mercedes emblem, or that hideous thing that puts the Ferrari emblem on a Mercedes truck. Next, well, never-ending sprues in here. Let's see. This is going to take a while. Okay, let's try to take those out, and well, I don't have the slightest clue what this is, but probably something for the trailer chassis, probably. I really don't know what this is. Lots of bars of different lengths, and mud guards here, so I believe this is for the trailer. So as this, probably front back of it, I really have no clue, but I believe this is from the trailer. We have here some transparent parts, a little bit lost in here. I hate how Revell packs things. So they throw it inside the bag, and there goes nothing. Some wheels in here. I believe there will be lots of them, and well, they look nice, pretty nice. I don't see if you guys can see it here. I can't zoom much more because it will get out of focus, but there's some lettering here, looks good. Sorry. More parts, trailer maybe, again, I don't know, frame, whatever. I'm really sorry, but I can't identify these parts for you because, well, trucks are not my specialty. But yeah, but this is for the trailer. This I recognize. These are the wheel covers. And maybe this is the front part of it. Yeah, this is definitely for the trailer. Okay, more parts. More bags full of sprues, and I'm dropping things. What is this? Okay. This is what he told me, that those parts were already out of the sprues. I don't really know what this is. Very small parts, so whoever decided to start from here decided for the most dangerous part, because these are very easy to lose. Okay, we have more loose parts, and now inside this mess we have more wheels in here, and lots of excess plastic, as you can see in here. More clear parts. These are for the truck itself, I would say. I hate these things, really. I don't have words to describe this. I really hate them. And lots and lots of frame parts, but this time these are for the truck. Differential, more airbox, so we have an engine, which is good. Suspension, more suspension, fuel tanks maybe. The wheel hubs, sorry. Okay, moving on. Now more loose parts, okay. And here we have engine. Okay. Not the most detailed engine in the world, but it will be good enough. Yeah, looks good. Here there is another part which is ready to go off from the sprue. Yeah. So many parts. And here, well, I can tell you what this is. This is the fifth wheel. Hoo-hoo, I'm a genius. Next. Interior parts with more loose parts. Excess plastic. The floor looks cool. With some flocking here, it will be really nice. The seats, no big deal, and some compartments maybe. We have some door cards here, but I believe we had another sprue who already had some door cards. I cannot swear, but I think that I saw them. Okay, moving on, doesn't matter. More red parts. This is all for, well, almost everything for the truck exterior. We have the front grille here. This is the top of the cabin, side skirts. But the molding is not bad at all, except we have always some loose parts in every sprue. It doesn't look bad. Some minor scratches here in the plastic. Not bad. More tires, and I'll ask why this, if you have this. Why this hideous thing looks like a toy for kids if you have all these separate tires in the bag? I really can't understand. Maybe older stuff they reuse, I don't know really, but I hate this because they always leave marks, and this looks rather nice. With the tires have some good detailing, lettering. These are nice. The other ones aren't. Okay, but that's just me. And well, let's move on to the last one, and this is scary. These are the side parts of the trailer, and well, this thing is huge. Where did I put my knife? All this mess now. Let me take the other one. It will be huge, this thing. So let me check. Okay, so this is the top part, and then we have the side pieces. As you can see, this is the trailer only, so you can guess how big it will be. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up all this mess in my desk, and we'll start building it, and we'll see what will come from this.